Hi guys, Moz here on the workbench. Today I have this brand new tooled starter set from Airfix. It's the 1:43 scale Bugatti Chiron. So in January we had the launch video from Airfix, and Dale said that they were bringing out 3 new starter sets. They were bringing out the E-Type Jag, they were bringing out this Bugatti Chiron, and a blue one. I can't think what it's called, but I'll put a picture up so you can see all 3, all right? I can't remember what it's called. We do this on the fly. So, yeah, this has arrived today. With the Tempest, which you hopefully would have seen the video already for that. If not, I'll put a link up there. Yes, it came as a pack. It was released on the Wednesday, and after a couple of issues, I was able to get both together at the same time. So yeah, this is the Bugatti, and apparently it's going to be very easy to build and quite a nice thing to paint, because it's all about the starter. You know, gone are the days now where Airfix would get an old tool in, add a few paints, drop a glue and a couple of brushes and say it's a starter set. It could be disheartening when you had to do a lot of work to get the model looking pristine, hence why I did the challenge on the Beetle, which I will also link somewhere in the video as well. But yeah, this is it. So it's all exciting stuff coming from Airfix. As I say, last year they did the starter set of the Spitfires and those tanks. So this year we're going to have some new cars, and this is the first one that's been released, the Chiron. Let's look at the box. Box art is a digital picture of the actual model you're going to build. It's an 8+. It comes with paints, glue or polycement, and the paintbrush. All right, side of the box, let's have a look at the bottom of the box. It has the Bugatti logo, so authenticity, because all the trademarks and patents are their copyright. Cartograph decals inside as well, which is perfect, and some warnings just to say do this, do that, don't do the other. Side of the box, you have the artwork, and the code is A55005, which is good. Top of the box, it does show you that there's a flying arrow of 1. It's a skill level 1, obviously. There's only 39 pieces to this kit, and some information about the car there. Okay, we'll get on the other side of the box, see that side as well. On the back, you have the call out where you're going to be putting the decals and also the paints. So the paints you're going to get are 11, 19, 21 and 33. They're inside the box. And this is the actual size of the car, that sort of size. So this Jag is a 1:32. This one is a 1:43, so it's going to be smaller than a 1:32, obviously, but it gives you some sort of idea. But that's the actual size to prove it. Tape measure out, so 106. There you go, 106. So that's the sort of size you're going to get, the size of the car once it's built. Wow, that's it. So anyway, let's have a little look inside the box. Let's put it all out. Let's have a little look. So inside the box, you get instructions. You also get what they call the before you start guide, giving you some instructions on what sort of tools extra you need. We'll look into that in a minute. Pack of sprues, pack of paints and some glue. There you go. There's your Umbro #2 brush and your decals. Let's have a quick look at the decals while I've got them here. Nothing too fancy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decals there. You got dashboard clock there, the Chiron logo, the Bugatti logo, your racing stripe, and that thing there, which I can't quite see what it is. I'm not too sure what that is on there, but I'll have a look later. So there you go. There's the decals. Right, the before you start guide, they're putting these in all of the starter sets now, and basically telling you what sort of tools you need. So for this one, you're going to need a nail file, some tweezers, scissors, clippers, a drill, tape and peg. If you don't have these sort of things, then I wouldn't worry too much, but they're going to help you with the build. Nice that they've used the Mark V Spitfire in this as well. So yeah, that's basically a little guide to help you if you're new to the hobby. Brilliant extra added in by Airfix. And the bit I like about these starter sets is the fact that the instructions are so simplified. It's unbelievable. I'll show you right now, okay? Bit of information there about the Chiron there, which is also on the front of the box. And you open it up and there you go. It is laid out to you perfectly. So, seriously, these instructions for youngsters or for the people who are just getting into it are amazing. So it's telling you here what they mean. So triangle glue, no glue, optional parts, what the colour is. So, and I just wish they do these, me being lazy, I wish they did this with all of the model kits that Airfix do. That they actually do that, have the paint colour there, you know, and a brush mark, so you don't get confused. You know, sometimes I'll be there looking at us the part number, or, you know, yeah, different strokes for different manufacturers, basically, you know. Anyway, so you basically, looks like you're going to have the whole of the chassis in one piece, and you're just going to be putting on the doors and the seats, and then you'll be painting all this up. There's the dashboard there, and putting on the decal for the dashboard, and then a bit of glue on each side, you know. It's even showing you where on this, you know, part of the sprue where it is. It's amazing. I tell you, these are great. I wish it was this easy. Moving on through, you're putting it all together, and you put in the, it's left-hand drive, so you put in the steering wheel and the dashboard clock, or the cluster, into the actual dashboard itself. Telling you where to paint inside. Brilliant. Moving over, then you're fixing all that in together, lovely. And then you're starting on the back where the engine is. So showing you again where they are on the sprue. This is so simplified, it's unbelievable. This is so good for starter set. This is fucking fantastic, really. Right, then you're putting in the axle underneath. You know, you're painting we'll tell you where to paint the calipers on the disc there. Painting the disc and all putting us together. Do not glue. It looks like it just slots in or snaps in. Looking by that, it says do not glue. And then it all fits, and then the top half of the chassis goes onto the floor plate onto the chassis. You know, you get my drift here, okay? Then you're going to be putting in some panels inside the doors there, showing you again where they go. Bumpers front and back, other pieces added. Then you put in your clear part. Looks like you've got to paint that black on the front of the clear part there. Honestly. Then you've got your wheels, which looks like are they two-piece wheels? So you've got like an outer rim, so the tyre sits up to the other side of the tyre there. That's quite nice, actually. Because you could, if you're really good, you could fill that in and then just paint that up lovely. Brilliant, brilliant. So you put your glue around there. So everything blue is where you glue. Amazing, absolutely amazing. You can't focus, put the wing mirrors on, and then that's it, basically. You're all done. This is what I mean. You know, simplified is an understatement for the instructions. Right. Interesting. I did have a knife somewhere. There's a knife. Oh, that's a shame. One piece has come off, but that's right. Or two pieces have come off, have they? Right. This is it. You get 2 sprues. You get the body of the car, and also you get your clear plastic. Look at that plastic there. The clear part looks great. There's no blemishes on that. That is absolutely solid. That is absolutely solid. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So there's that piece there. No, which frames? This one's frame A. Now, 2 of the wheels are falling off, but I'm not too worried about that. But you look at the detail there. You know, no flash on this. Funny, it's weird plastic. I don't know what this. I'm gonna try to. Let's just tap it, shall we? Yeah, you know, yeah, it could be. It's just because it's the colour. Maybe it's off-put because of the colour. But yeah, this is the colour of the sprues. They're red because it is a red car. But look at that. Nice, no flash. Looking pretty good there. Little cutouts there. So everything's all to fit. I'm pretty sure you push fit in there. Look at the detail on the discs. So you see that on the disc. Look at the details. Even got the cutouts in the discs. The holes in the discs. Well, they call them heat evaporators or something. So yeah, so the disc comes with the caliper already molded on, which is standard to most cars anyway. But yeah, there you go. There's your wheel there. There's no tread on the wheel, on the tyre, sorry. That's absolutely fine. Tiniest steering wheels there, which you can paint. But yeah, this looks like it's going to be quite an easy little build. And then on the top there, so there's your floor plan and everything. This is the actual chassis now. Some detail on the chassis. Some more discs there. Some more panels there for the body itself. Then you've got your bumpers there. Look at that. You see that? Trying to get that black and do that edge shouldn't be too difficult to get the chrome on the edge there. Some more of the wheels there with the spokes. Yeah. That looks pretty smart to me. Looks very good. And again, let's get the body up here. Little bit of a blemish there, but you can sand that out. But as I said, you're going to get a little car like that in your hand once you're done. In hindsight, I've just been building the 176 JS1 or JS3, isn't it? Joseph Stalin. What is it? The JS3, sorry. And look at that. You know, so you're working on that sort of parameter. So if you're a tank builder, you're going to be building something like that for 176 scale. You know, so there you go. That's the size of it. Perfect. I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to build this, actually. Do you know what? I may even go away now and give us a good dose of prime and get this all sorted and start the build tonight. Actually, I can't tonight. Anyway, I'll build this and put it on the channel. A final thing, just to quickly go through the bag of paints. So the paints, you're going to get an 11 silver, you're going to get a 21, which is the gloss black, and you also get the 33 matte black. So you get gloss and matte black, and also you get the red as well, bright red. So there you go, and you get this poly cement, which you know, but anyway, I'm joking. Yeah, you can use it, all right? I wouldn't, but that's personal. If you are going to get a decent cement, get one of these. I've fallen for this one. This was my go-to. I now use this. Promise you, just try it. Right, so if you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Ring that bell, select all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments? What's your thoughts on the starter sets that are coming out from Airfix? Are you impressed? Let me know in the comments below, because I always reply. And also, there's a video of me painting an original Beetle from their starter set range. If you could click on that link and have a watch, that'd be brilliant too. Anyways, thanks for watching. Link in description if you want to buy this kit, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.